My name is Brian Howard. I'm the Operations Manager of Stevin Rock. As the Operations Manager, I'm responsible for the entire operation, from geological exploration through to production and processing, all the way to delivery to the end customer. Stevin Rock is a quarry and mining operation. Stevin Rock provide material to 4 major business lines: cement production, aggregates and construction industry, marine construction and steel production. The 395 has been with us for 10 months now. Its performance has been very impressive with regard to the tons per hour loaded, but particularly around the fuel consumption and the tons per gallon of efficiency. The machine is used primarily in our extraction applications, blending the ore direct to the crushers. It spends its day loading 100-ton capacity dump trucks and operates 24/7. Running such a large operation as our own, we require very large support and backup from our key suppliers. Albahar have been a key supplier to Stevin Rock for many years and provide product support for all the Caterpillar equipment 24/7 to allow us to maintain our operations.
My name is Benjamin Bowering. My position here at Stevin Rock is the load and haul superintendent for Q2. So I manage the extraction with all the extraction tools, which is 50-ton trucks up to 150-ton trucks and 100-ton excavators up to 300-ton excavators. 395 has exceeded our expectations on productivity and fuel consumption. We do use Vision Link, but it's primarily for the workshop. They will identify any issues with the Caterpillar machines, and then they will notify the production team and we will remove them from the operation. The 395 has been burning around 30 litres per hour less than a similar weight class and size class of machine in this site. The reliability of this machine is very strong. We run it 22 hours a day in 45-degree heat. We've had no issues with it as of now, so very, very strong. I would recommend the 395 to customers with a similar working environment to us. The machine, it starts on the button every time. It's very, very fuel efficient and it has high productivity compared to other machines in its weight class. Personally, I don't operate the machine, but the operator feedback from my guys is it's a very reliable machine. It digs the blast pile very, very well and is smooth operating for them, particularly during their long shifts that they have to work.
मेरा नाम वीरेंद्र कुमार सिंह है। मैं 15 साल से मशीन चला रहा हूँ। ये स्टीवन रॉक में 5 साल से चला रहा हूँ। देखने के लिए हमको पीछे भी देखने के लिए हेल्प करता है, साइड ग्लास भी ओके है, जो हमको इसके चारों तरफ देखने में मदद करता है। रिवर्स कैमरा मदद करता है पीछे हमको देखने के लिए। स्विंग सब फास्ट है।
मैं 7 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, ऑपरेटरी कर रहा हूँ। अभी स्टीमर रॉक में 2 साल हुआ। दूसरी मशीनों से फास्ट है, स्पीड अच्छा है, जल्दी वक्त बढ़ता है, गाड़ी जल्दी लोड करता है। साइड ग्लास देखने में दोनों साइड अच्छा है, सेफ है देखने के लिए, सेफ्टी के लिए।
मेरा नाम रूपचंद है और मेरे को 20 साल हो गया एक्सकावेटर चलाते हुए, तो 13 साल इधर स्टीवन रॉक में हो गया। मैंने सभी मशीन कैट का चलाया हुआ है, 325, 390, 390D, और सबसे बेटर मेरे को ये मशीन लगा। और इसका स्पीड ज़्यादा है। इसका मेन तो मेरे को यही लगा, इसका स्पीड ज़्यादा है। दूसरा मशीन से जल्दी गाड़ी लोड करता है, क्योंकि स्टीवन रॉक में ज़्यादा तो प्रोडक्शन का ही काम है, जल्दी गाड़ी लोड करो।
Albahar meet our expectations with regards to the customer value agreements, as they give us tremendous support and parts availability to ensure the machine downtime is minimal and the operational performance is maximised.